Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've been slacking a little bit, but I'm back, okay? I'm gonna also show you guys a few hairstyles that you can do with this hair. Perfect for the summertime or even for a vacation. Enough of the rambling. We're gonna jump right into the video. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So I had already washed and exfoliated my face, so I'm gonna just use the toner, moisturizer, and the lip mask. So usually I use the Tasha moisturizer, but because I don't have any more of it, I've been using this one. I got this from Sephora as a birthday gift, and this one is still good too, but I still love the Tasha one. The Tasha one is really, really good. I haven't been doing my skincare routine like I used to, but I drink a lot of water, so that's why my skin is always clear and hydrated. So that plays a huge role on how your skin is gonna look. But also make sure that the products that you're using is for your skin type, because everyone has different skin types and not every product is gonna work for you. So just make sure of that. You could also use vitamins. I use the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, which I had mentioned in my self-care video. That one is really good if you want to maintain the health of your hair, skin, and nails. This one smells really good. It smells like bubblegum. Very moisturizing, by the way. So if you usually wake up with dry ass lips, put this on before going to bed. So that is it for my skincare. This is my favorite cleanser. I've been using this one for like 2 years now. It leaves my skin feeling clean, fresh, soft, clear. This one is of course my favorite exfoliator. This one is really good and it smells good. I might do like another skincare routine video soon, because the last video that I did was like over a year ago, and I want to do like a more in-depth skincare routine so you guys can see what I've been doing. But yeah, for the most part, I love using these two together. This one is by far my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair because my hair looks very crazy. So I use very minimum amounts of leave out. Except for this side, I put too much leave out on this side. That's why it looks longer. This is my second time doing a flip over, and I've been loving it. Like, I love the fact that it's low maintenance. I don't gotta put too much heat on my hair. It's less leave out. This style makes the perfect vacation look because you don't really have to do too much. Look how pretty the curls look. I love deep wave. Like, something about this curl pattern just looks so good. So I'm just adding some more water so that the curls can look more defined before blending out my leave out. So while the hair is drying up, I'm gonna blend out my leave out. Okay, so I'm gonna use my favorite edge control, which is this one. Y'all already know I love this one. It smells so good. Anytime I'm doing my edges, natural and subtle is my go-to. So as you can see, you could barely even tell. Like, this hair blends out really, really well with my hair. So I also have my Care styling wax. This one is good for flyaways. I don't really have that much, but I'm gonna still use it just so it looks neater. So I actually gotta get a new hot comb because yeah, that is super dangerous. Okay, and every time I use it, well, not every time, but most of the time when I use this, that be coming off and it be hot, so I have to really be careful. Blend everything out. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have it linked down below. as well as my coupon code so you guys can save some money. Okay, I got ya, don't worry. Of course, when it dries up, it's gonna look way more fuller, but yeah, this hair is perfect. I don't gotta put too much heat on my natural hair. It blends out really well. It looks good. The curls is popping. This is how it looks up close. It's giving mamacita. It's giving mamacita, Spanish mommy. I cannot wait to go on vacation just to do this hairstyle. If you guys want to see a couple hairstyles that you could do with this hair, keep on watching. So of course you could rock it like this if you want to, but I decided to show you guys a couple other options that you could do with this hair. You could do a half up, half down. This one is really, really cute. Or you could do a low ponytail, a bun, or a high ponytail. And this is how it looks like when the hair is completely dry.